All right, so I finished my note cards, and I'm going to show you what they look like. I went through the entire outline as well as their manuscript speech because it seemed to me like this example speech, their outline wasn't great. And so I went through the actual speech to do my note card. So this is my intro page. I have an attention getter. I like to highlight my sources because most people tend to forget your sources, especially for this first speech. And so by highlighting them, when you look down at your note card, your eye goes straight to them. So I have my source, I have my direct quote, so I wrote it out word for word. And then I just have hash marks and bullet points of key information. I have my 3 points of my preview. This is my first point, so I have 1A and 1B. 1A, I put the title of the point, and then I have kind of 2 subpoints. I'll talk about rods because it's brief, and then I'll go to cones. And then I liked kind of making it visual because the information to me made sense in this manner. And then I have just bits of information. You see how it's not written out word for word. I just have bits of information that I need on my point. And then I wrote out the transition word for word. Remember, though, that you memorize your transition. And so I essentially am just writing the transition there. So I see transition and I know to move. And then if I forget it, I can glance at it. On my second point, I have 2A and 2B. I have a source right here, which was Public Radio International. They only gave me one piece of the citation, so I just grabbed that. And then I have bits of information. I have stars. See how I'm writing instead of 4, I'm writing like FOR. I'm just writing the number 4 because it's easier for me. And when I look at it, I know it means that. I have bits of information. See how I didn't really fill up this whole page, and that's okay. And I have my transition. My third point, my title. Bits of information, source, information. Remember, no transition at the end of your third point. And then this is my conclusion page. I have my 3 points and my end. So you will be turning in your note card for this speech as soon as you give it. And you'll be receiving not only a grade for this, but this should help you to stay organized, stay not distracting to your audience, and help you to give your speech.